I'm Molly Superthorpe. Welcome to my channel, where I offer bite-sized tutorials and demonstrations in calligraphy and hand lettering, and upload a brand new video every Friday. Today I'm showing you my process for creating this illustrated calligraphy layout in Procreate. The intricate border is drawn with the help of Procreate's vertical symmetry guides, and the calligraphy is a poem excerpt by E. Cummings. Check the description below for a link to my blog post, where I have detailed written instructions, as well as a link to the calligraphy brush that I'm using here.